Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. I'm Yakin, and in this video we'll learn how to send files from Facebook Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open our Facebook Messenger app on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, go into the conversation where you wish to send a photo or video attachment. Now on the left of your textbook, tap on the gallery icon. This will show you all the pictures and videos you have saved on your device. And then select the one that you wish to send. Two buttons will appear. The edit button offers you the option to draw on a picture or trim a video. If you want to edit it, you can go ahead and select the edit button. And finally, once you're happy with the content, press the send button. This way, you'll be now able to send attachments such as videos and photos from Facebook Messenger. But if your goal is to send another kind of file on your Android, then go back to your home screen and head to your Google Drive app or wherever you saved your file on your device. And then select your file and a list of options will appear before you. Now choose the send or copy option. Then select Messenger Chats icon. Choose the contact you wish to share the attachment with. And once you confirm, hit the send button. And with this, you'll be now able to send even the PDF files in Facebook Messenger. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.